Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh. In AIIMS Rishikesh, registration for Master of Public Health for January 2025 session has started. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health program will be given. About Master of Public Health AIIMS Rishikesh MPH course will be given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Raipur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test UTPG, JIPMER NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for AIIMS Rishikesh, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh prospectus. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh MPH course January 2025 session. Last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through registered or speed post 15th of October 2024 5 p.m. Application fees for SC, ST, EWS rupees 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. Unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD exempted from any fee. So this is the information about Master of Public Health course AIIMS Rishikesh MPH. About Master of Public Health AIIMS Rishikesh MPH. Public health education for long has been expected to find solutions for multitude of public health problems. However, the existing capacity and hence output in the field of public health in India is highly inadequate to meet these needs. To build and maintain a critical mass of public health experts, it is essential to strengthen the training capacity of individuals working in healthcare. The School of Public Health SPH at AIIMS Rishikesh is dedicated to provide excellency in public health education, research, fellowship, training and delivering the highest standards of care to the community. The Master of Public Health MPH program at AIIMS Rishikesh is designed to provide multidisciplinary training, helping professionals tackle various public health issues and achieve leadership positions. The program aims to develop top quality public health professionals capable of delivering outstanding healthcare through evidence-based public health practices. At the School of Public Health AIIMS Rishikesh, students from diverse disciplinary and professional backgrounds receive training through various pedagogical methods, including problem solving, exercises, field-based training such as observerships in public health organizations, case studies and other interactive approaches. Number of seats. Number of seats for medical eligible candidates are medical, and number of seats essential qualification MBBS or BDS or IUS. Alternative system of medicine in India degree seats are 10, unreserved 5, OBC 2, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1. Total number of seats are 10. Note proficiency in Hindi up to 10th standard is desirable as the MPH course at AIIMS Rishikesh involves extensive fieldwork and public interaction. Qualifying degree must be obtained on or before 4th of December 2024 and recognized by National Medical Commission, India Dental Council of India. At a glance, important point, last date for submission of application. The duly filled in application along with necessary document and the applicable fees should reach the examination cell, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand 249203 on or before 15th of October 2024 at 5 p.m. through registered or post or speed post only. Applications sent via courier will not be entertained. Applications received after the last date or incomplete in any respect or not accompanied by the required document information will not be considered. The envelope should be superscribed application for the MPH January 2025 session. MPH course last date for submission of application up to 15th of October 2024 Tuesday. Email regarding examination up to 4th of November 2024 Monday. Written entrance MCQ examination up to 19th of November 2024 Tuesday. Departmental assessment up to 5th of December 2024 Thursday. Result up to 14th of December 2024 Saturday. Application fee for general OBC category 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. For SC ST EWS category 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD candidates are exempted from any fee. Mode of payment through online only, that is NEFT, RTGS, UPI, etc. So these are the payment details. This is the summary of examination pattern. Please see test for details and explanations. Mode of examination computer based test CBT online OMR. Date of examination 19th of November 2024. Reporting time at the examination center 9 AM. Location of examination center is AIIMS Rishikesh. Language of paper English. Type of written entrance examination and duration. Objective type 180 minutes. Number of questions, important topics with tentative marks distribution. 200 multiple choice questions MCQs. Topics are research, methodology and biostatics 30, epidemiology 30, population sciences 30, national health program 20, basics of public health 15, basics of nutrition 15, general knowledge 20, logical reasoning 20, computer literacy 20, marking scheme 1 mark for each correct answer, no negative marking, method of resolving ties, refer to page 6. Note further details regarding the entrance examination will be provided in the admit card. These are the objectives of MPH. On completion of MPH course, a public health professional should be able to identify and prioritize key public health issues, understanding the principles involved in the management of health service organizations and in planning the future development of health services. Understand the principles involved in the economic assessment of health and of services implemented, practiced for its protection and restoration. Develop competency in research and understand the ethical principles relevant to public health work. Encourage community participation in health related activities and programs. At a glance, Master of Public Health admission to course. Admission to the 9th batch of Master of Public Health course will commence in January 2025. Admission to the course offered at the institute is based on merit determined through an entrance examination conducted by the institute following the issuance of a nationwide admission notice. The admission notice is published in leading national newspapers across India. Duration of MPH course, full-time 2 years course. Method of selection. Admission is based on entrance examination and departmental assessment only. Selection for the Master of Public Health course are made through written examination and an interview. Stage 1. A written test carrying 200 marks with a duration of 180 minutes in the subject the candidate has applied for. The question paper will consist of 200 multiple choice questions. MCQs, candidates scoring more than 50% marks in stage 1 will be considered for stage 2. Stage 2, based on the merit list from stage 1, candidates the 3 times the number of seats advertised will be called for a departmental assessment carrying 50 marks. Final selection, candidates who scored 50% marks in stage 1 and 2 combined will be eligible for admission and will be included in the final merit list. This is the course fee. Indian nationals rupees 5,440 for the 2-year course. This is one time non-refundable payment. So in this video, information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health, MPH admission for the January 2025 session has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Raipur, CUET PG, JIPMER Nimhans, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Value, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if you student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.